Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you, students? I hope you will be well and good. Welcome to geography class. I hope you will be enjoying online classes. It's our third lesson. Our topic for today is chapter number 8, Climate and Natural Vegetation. Subtopics are what happens when the rainforests are destroyed and saving the rainforests. Page number 111, 112 and 113. Learning objectives are by the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand about the destruction of forests and how to save the rainforests. What happens when the forests are destroyed? When the land is cleared, there is no protection. Rainwater washes away the soil. The more fertile top layer is washed away, and the land will no longer be fertile because all required nutrients are in the topsoil. Animals and plants lose their homes or habitats when the forests are destroyed. They may not adapt well and some will die. People who originally live in the forest lose the land they live on. They are sometimes forced to live in settlements set up by the government. Some contract diseases in these places and die. We suffer because the forests actually provide our atmosphere with oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. If we don't have sufficient forests or plants, we may not have healthy atmosphere. The temperature of the place increases as there is no shade from the trees and moisture from transpiration. The climate is affected and rate of global warming increases due to the shortage of plants and forests. Saving the rainforests. Many scientists and government have realized that the tropical rainforest play a very important part in the earth's environment. At the speed that humans are destroying the forests, there will be little of them left. The government of the countries where these rainforests are found have drawn up conversation plans to reduce the destruction and also try to restore what have been damaged before it is too late. Let us take a look at deforestation in the Amazon basin and some of the measures that government are taking to prevent deforestation. Measures: afforestation and reforestation. Description: replanting of trees in previously bare and forested land. Number 2, increases the forested areas. Measures: selective logging. Description: loggers are allowed to cut only certain type of trees. The rest of trees have to be left to grow. Brazil, Venezuela, Bolivia practice this. Measures, laws and policies. The Brazil government no longer gives special tax cut to cattle ranchers as to discourage them to raise cattle on cleared forest land. The government of Venezuela does not give license to mining companies that destroy the homes of the natives living there. Only the Amazon Indians are allowed to clear forest land in this special area to build houses and grow food. Logging and mining companies are not allowed into these areas to protect the culture of the Indians. Measures, conservation, descriptions. Some areas are left undistributed and undisturbed to allow the vegetation to grow. 60% of the forest in Venezuela are protected. Deforestation has resulted in soil erosion. The area is bare with no tree roots to hold the soil together, resulting in the washing away of soil into the Amazon River. The large amount of sediments has harmed the organisms that live in the river. Can you recall the other negative effect of deforestation? How can you as a student play a part of conserve forests? Okay, students, here is your home assignment. Question number 1 is, what happens when the forests are destroyed? And in the answer, you have to write down the whole 5 points which are mentioned on page number 111. Okay, there is question number 2. Write in detail the measures that the governments are taking to prevent deforestation. In the answer, you have to write down the 4 measures along with the descriptions that are mentioned on page number 112. Hope you will understand.